afternoon, welcome again to our YouTube channel, and if you are near, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm going to teach you Kamba language. Don't laugh, don't laugh. So we are going to learn numbers, days of the week, months, and greetings. Now listen to this. Numbers: 1, imwe, imwe. 2, ili. 3, itatu. Itatu. 4, inya. 5, itano. 6, dadatu. Tantatu. 7, mwonza. So number 7 in Kamba is mwonza. Number 8, inya. Number 9, kenda. Number 10, ikumi. Now we go to the days of the week. Days of the week: Monday. Monday, wakwambililia. Okay, wakwambililia. Tuesday, wakeli. Wednesday, wakatatu. Thursday, wakanana. Friday, wakatano. Saturday is wadandatu. Sunday, wakiumwa. Good morning. Kamba, pepe. That is Sunday. Kissing day. We go to months in Kamba. January, mwewambe. So Monday is mwewambe. February, mwewakeri. March, mwewakatatu. April, mwewakana. May, mwewakatano. June, mwewakatatu. August is mwezi wa nyanya. Mwezi wa nyanya. You go to September, mwezi wa kenda. October, mwezi wa 10. Then November is a mwezi wa 11. 11. Then December is mwezi wa 12. Mwezi wa 12. How are you? How was your day? Oh, what in data? How was your day is what in data? Then what is your name? Waiter. Waiter.
Not waiter. Waiter.
Okay, waiter. So that is greetings. So guys, I've taught you 4 things: numbers, days of the week, months, and greetings. Kindly bear with me. Mtoto wangu anamea meno, so meno imefura hapa, anatema mate kama kitu kingine. Story, you shall be okay. Si ndio mami? Unajua sasa hivi ndio life inakuanga. Unaona, ukishajua ni life, you must meet the pressures of this life. You see? Ambia watu subscribe. Mate na teremka tu yenyewe tuko. Support me. Mwambie welcome back and subscribe for my sake. Sindio? You will be okay baby girl. Sindio? You'll be fine. Utapona na utakuwa sawa. Sindio? Ni jini nakupea stress. Inakufanya hata usikule nini? Chips. Oh yeah, sorry baby girl. So guys, see you in the next video. We love you.